How to delete your Instagram account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account within the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app, then navigate to your profile by selecting the profile icon in the bottom menu. Once you get to your profile, select the three horizontal lines in the top right to open the settings. And then in the settings, select the first option for Account Center. Once in Account Center, scroll down and select Personal Details, then just select Account Ownership and Control. From here, select Deactivation or Deletion, then select the Instagram account that you want to delete. Now all we need to do is make sure we select Delete Account so that it has a blue dot next to it, then scroll down and select Continue. From here, tell Instagram why you want to delete your account, and then select Continue. After that, all you need to do is enter your Instagram account password, select Continue, and then your Instagram account will be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.